Daddy's gonna get my baby niece, which is so exciting to me because I love my baby niece so much. She's so cute. But because we're in the car, I thought it would be a good video to do which toys are best for the car. As you can see, it was already in my lap, so obviously I was playing with it while I was watching videos. So of course, this is a best toy for the car. It's really quiet, but if you accidentally were to leave it, it's kind of sticky. Yeah. So, this is like gonna get a solid 8 out of 10 because it is kind of hard to squish. You do have to put a little, but not much force. I actually brought my backpack of fidget toys. Oh, and this gets a 0 out of 10 because it's not good for the car at all. It was just in my bag because it's a fidget toy. I keep all my fidget toys in my bag. Okay, so that's going to go there because that's not good for the car at all. Also, it almost leaks my backpack. So I have all 3 of these. That's nice. Oh, also, Mommy, can you put this right here up there? This mask, I found it in the house. All 3 get a 8 out of 10 because they are kind of hard to squish. And they all stick together, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's what that was getting. The poppet is kind of loud, but it is pretty good for the car. But you kind of have to use 2 hands or have to have some level. So because of that, it's going to get a 4 out of 10 for the car fidgets only. It's pretty simple to squish, but I like doing it with 2 hands. So it's kind of hard to squish with 1 hand, but it is pretty soft. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a ball on this. So like whenever I squish it with 1 hand, it actually keeps hitting it. It would be pretty good with the ball one in there. So it's going to get, because of that, 5 out of 10. Okay, squishies. It also kind of has a textured fiber. I see how I could rub this or something. It would be super satisfying. But because it's kind of ugly, it's going to get a 1 out of 10. My 2 stress balls. Oh yeah, I love these. This one is more textured fabric, and this one's easier to squish. See how much power, see how much I don't have to. Kind of hurts more. This one's gonna get a 7 out of 10. This is gonna get an 8 out of 10. Oh, they get the same thing as the poppet. I think it was like 4 out of 10. I don't know. And this pen. Pens are actually very convenient to have in a car, so it's kind of like a fidget pen or a little pen. So because of that, it's going to get a 7 out of 10. This homemade wash and bevel. I mean, it is kind of flexible, and I could see how I could like bend it up and down like this. So because of that purpose, it's going to get. Look at this inside here. Oh, and this. It's super duper big, and it's kind of hard to squish. It is a squeezable, so they're not really supposed to be bad. But because of that, it's going to get a certain 6 out of 10. Oh, and my Tangle's going to get like a solid 10 out of 10. Like, it's amazing. Best toy to take to the car. It's a 10 out of 100. Okay, and then, so that's how I rate all my fidgets for the car. And that was my reasons for them, should be up there. If not, just comment down below. So I have to put all these fidgets. Also, Wednesday I'm getting new fidgets. So, that video will be posted on that. Of going in and getting the mail. Like, getting it out. I'll probably have to get the Panda XL1 address. It don't matter. I love this. And my pockets. Oh, they get a 5 out of 10 because my baby niece, like I was saying, my baby niece she loves chewing on them. So because of that, they're going to get a higher score. Because it can keep my baby niece entertained. Thank you so much for watching. Look at all the beautiful trees. Beautiful one. I'll see. It's buckled there. Is it? Huh? It's got a cute little cup holder. I wonder if it'll hold my drink. Oh, God. gosh, it's dipping. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye.